How to set up Zelle with Bank of America. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open your Bank of America application and get logged into your Bank of America account. Once logged in, tap on the Transfer or Zelle tab at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you have not enrolled in Zelle, you have to follow the on-screen prompt to get enrolled in Zelle. You will be asked to provide an email address or your US phone number to link to your Zelle account. Choose Bank of America account you want to link to Zelle for sending and receiving money. Once done, you may receive a verification via your email or SMS to confirm your enrollment. Then enter the code as prompted. After verifying, your Zelle account will be set up and ready for use. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.